Aksha, are you finished writing? Okay, Aksha finish. Danul finish. Okay, good. And Inuka, are you ready? Inuka?
No.
Inuka, hurry up, hurry up. I want to do the lesson. Tenuka, are you finished writing?
Teacher, Timal finish.
Okay, Timal. Tenuka. Tenuka, are you finished writing?
Yes, teacher.
Right, let's go to the lesson. This one I will mark after the lesson, right? Just keep it. Come to the pupils book, page number. Here, page number 72. Pupils book, right? Come to the pupils book, page number 72. Okay, so let's make wood apple juice. What is wood apple? Dewul. Yes, see the picture, right? We are making wood apple juice. Dewul. Right. You need avashyai. What avashyai? 2 or 3 ripe wood apples. Ripe means idunu. Right? Ripe idunu. You need 2 or 3 ripe wood apples. 1 cup of coconut milk. 5 teaspoons of sugar. What is a teaspoon?
Tehandi.
Very good. Very good. 5 teaspoons of sugar. Tehand. Very good. A pinch of salt. Pinch කියන්නේ අපිට සාමාන්‍යයෙන් ඇඟිලි දෙකට අහු වෙන ප්‍රමාණය. මේ කියන්නේ ලුණු ටික. Pinch of salt. 2 glasses of water. Right here you can see we call these ingredients. අවශ්‍ය ද්‍රව්‍ය. Ingredients. මේ හැම ingredient එකකටම ඒගොල්ලෝ amount එක ප්‍රමාණය දෙනවා. The amount is very important. ඕනම දෙයක් අපි පිළියෙල කරද්දී amount එක අපි ගන්න ප්‍රමාණය important. අපි තමු ඔයා 3 wood apples අරගෙන මේකට 4 glasses of water දැම්මොත් it is too watery. වතුර ගතිය වැඩි වෙනවා. You take 2 wood apples and you put 1 glass of water, then it is very thick. Ganakama gatiya vadi. Right? So when we are making something, the amount, pramane, amount is very important. That is why they give us the correct amount. Hama ingredient එකකටම ඒගොල්ලෝ amount එක දෙනවා. අපි ගන්න ඕන ප්‍රමාණ කොච්චරද කියන එක. Right? Okay, Janit. What is ingredient? Janit, what is ingredient?
Pramane.
Jihansa, what is ingredient?
Adangu dravya.
Very good. තේනුක ප්‍රමාණය කියන්නේ amount එක. Ingredients කියන්නේ අඩංගු ද්‍රව්‍ය. What are the ingredients? Wood apples, coconut milk, sugar, salt and water. Those are the ingredients. අවශ්‍ය ද්‍රව්‍ය. මේ pupils book එකේ අපිට දෙනවා අපි ඕනම දෙයක් හදද්දී ingredients වල amount එක important. Amount එක කියන්නේ ප්‍රමාණය. Right, Jihansa, very good. So remember ingredients. අපි ඕනම දෙයක් හදද්දී ingredients ටික එකතු කරගන්න ඕනේ ඉස්සෙල්ලා. So ingredient means අවශ්‍ය ද්‍රව්‍ය. ඒවායේ amounts කියන්නේ ප්‍රමාණ. Right? So remember you need 2 or 3 ripe idunu wood apples, 1 cup of coconut milk, 5 teaspoons of sugar, pinch of salt, 2 glasses of water. Method. Method එක. What is method එක?
හදන විදිහ.
Very good. හදන විදිහ. Yes. සාධන ක්‍රමය. Right? Yes, very good. Method එක කියන්නේ ක්‍රමය. මම කැමති නෑ ඔයාගේ method එකට. සමහර වෙලාවට සමහර අය කියනවනේ එයාගේ method එක මට අල්ලන්නේ. What is the meaning? එයාගේ ක්‍රමය. Right? So method එක කියන්නේ ක්‍රමය. අපි ඕනම වැඩක් කරද්දී method එකක් තියෙනවා. ක්‍රමයක්. Right? So method means ක්‍රමය. So what is the method to make wood apple juice? Right? Number 1. Break the wood apples. What is break? Break.
teacher.
මගේ පැත්තෙන්ද සිග්නල් නැත්තේ ඔයාගේ පැත්තෙන්ද සිග්නල් නැත්තේ උදානි ඔයාට කොහොමද පාඩම is my voice breaking කටහඬ කැඩි කැඩිද ඇහෙන්නේ
No teacher.
right, okay, right, thank you udani, right, okay, so break කරනවා කියන්නේ කඩනවා, right? දැන් මම question ඇහුවා my voice breaking, my voice is breaking. අපි කෑ ගහලා කියන්නේ teacher කැඩි කැඩි ඇහෙන්නේ කියලා. No, teacher voice is breaking. Voice එක කැඩෙනවා. Voice is breaking. Right? So next time remember signal මදි වෙලා කැඩි කැඩි ඇහෙනවා නම් කැඩි කැඩි ඇහෙනවා කියලා කෑ ගහන්න එපා. Teacher voice is breaking. Right? That is how we practice English. ටික ටික ඉගෙන ගමු. Break means කඩනවා. Right? So break the wood apples. කඩනවා. Break. Put the flesh into a ball. Ball එකකට flesh මදය දානවා. Flesh means මදය. Right? Put the flesh into a ball. Add coconut milk, water and sugar. දැන් මේවා amount එක අපි කලින් කිව්වා. ඒ නිසා කොච්චර කොච්චර දාන්න ඕනද කියලා දැන් කියන්න ඕනේ නැහැ. ඒ ඔක්කොම ටික තමයි දාන්නේ. Right? amount එක කලින් ලියලා තියෙනවා. Add coconut milk, water and sugar. Blend it well. What is blend කරන?
මිශ්‍ර කරනවා.
Yes, ඔයාගේ භාෂාවෙන්ම කිව්වොත් blender එකට දාලා blend කරනවා, right? අපි හැමෝම දන්නවා what is the blend? මිශ්‍ර කරනවා. Yes, මේක අතින් මිශ්‍ර කරනවට වැඩිය blender එකේ කරන එක ලේසි. So blend it well. සමහර වෙලාවට අතින් කරනවා යට අයින් කරන්න කියලා. Yes. Next one, add salt to taste. රසයට taste එකට අපේ taste එක අනුව රසය අනුව salt දානවා. Next one, drink it fresh. Fresh. හදපු සැනින් ඒක නැවුම්ව තියෙද්දි drink කරන්න ඕන, right? Drink it fresh. So what is the method? Break the wood apples, put the flesh මදය into a bowl, add coconut milk, water and sugar, blend it well. මේක හොඳට මිශ්‍ර කරන්න, blend කරන්න. Add salt to taste. Taste එකට රස අනුව salt දාන්න, then drink it fresh, right? Now drink කරන්න. Okay. Now come to your writing book and a red pen. Come to the writing book and the red pen. Lesson 2. Let's make wood apple juice. We are going to make
A wood apple juice.
very good. We are going to make wood apple juice. Very good. wood apple juice. We are going to make wood apple juice. Very good. We need of coconut milk.
1 cup.
Very good. We need
Cup.
1 cup. Yes, very good. We need 1 cup of coconut milk. We also, we also need sugar.
Pinch.
Coconut milk.
No.
Coconut milk. Pinch. Blend. Pinch.
Coconut
Coconut
milk.
Not the coconut milk. In number 2 එකේදී අපි කිව්වා we need 1 cup of coconut milk. Coconut milk 1 cup අපිට අවශ්‍යයි. We also need ඒ වගේම අපිට අවශ්‍යයි sugar,
Salt.
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 Very good. Salt and water. Yes. Coconut milk ගන්න කියලා number 2 එකේ කියනවා. In the second one. So the third one, sugar, salt and water. Sugar, salt and water.
The flesh.
Put the flesh. What is flesh?
Bowel.
Mother.
Madaya. Yes, ball එකයි වාජනය කියන්නේ flesh madaya. Very good. Put the flesh into a
වැරදිලා.
okay, into a
Bowl.
ball. Yes, into a
Bowel.
ball. Put the flesh into a ball. මදේ අපි ball එකකට දාගන්න. We
ඒකට බවල් කියලාත් කියනවා නේද? ඒකට බවල් කියලා කියනවා නේද?
bowel කියලා. Bowel. Give me 1 minute. Bowel කියලා මං අහලා නෑනේ. BOWL. No. Ball. It's ball. Bowel no. Ball. පාත්‍රය, බඳුන, බේසම, පෝච්චිය. Right? So it's ball. Bowel කියලා වෙන වචනයක් තියෙනවා අපේ බඩේ තියෙන but bowels මොනවාද කියන්නේ ඒවට මොනවාද බඩවැල් වලට කියන්නේත් bowels කියලා. This is a ball. මේකට bowel කියන්නේ. Right? So it is wrong. Remember, this is ball. Ball එකක්. Right? අපි සිංහලෙනුත් කියන්නේ ball එකක් කියලා. So English is ball, not bowel. Last one. Everything may හැමදේම well to make a juice. What do?
We are
Blend. Yes, very good. We blend everything. අපි හැමදේම blend කරනවා well හොඳට to make a juice. Right, very good. Can I erase the board?
yes teacher.
Yeah.
Okay, teacher.
Okay. Take a new page.
teacher exam lower hand කරගන්නද?
Yes, lower hand. Very good. Lower hand. Very good. Activity එක finish වුණ ගමන් lower hand කරන්න. And now we are going to draw a chart. Okay, we are going to draw a chart. So take a new page. Chart drawing pencil. We are going to draw a chart. Chart drawing pencil, no pen. Chart එකේ ලියන්නේ ඔයාලට pen එකෙන් කරන්න පුළුවන්, but chart drawing pencil. This side 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Draw the chart in pencil.
ටීචර් විදිහට ඉරි ගහ ගන්න ඕනද?
Yes. Draw the chart in pencil.
රයිට් කරන්න පෙන් එකෙන්.
Writing pen, yes.
ටීචර් ලියන්න පෙන් එකෙන්.
INGREDI. Writing pen, yes.
ටීචර් මොකක්ද ඩ්‍රෝ කරන්නේ?
Uh-uh.
ටීචර් මොකක්ද ඩ්‍රෝ කරන්න කියන්නේ?
No help. Draw the chart and fill. Okay, this side I write the ingredient. Now you know what is ingredient. This side I write amount. Here you have an example. Follow the example. මම උදාහරණයක් දීලා තියෙනවා. බලන්න ඒකෙන් ඔයාලට තනියම කරන්න පුළුවන්ද කියලා. No help. You can do this. බලන්න ළමයි ඒක කරයි ලස්සනට. You can get help from the pupils book, right? Pupils book page number 72.
Udani finished teacher.
Yeah, very good. Raise hand.
Busy one.
Very good, very good. Very good. Raise hand.
Teacher Asiru finish.
Okay, raise hand please.
Teacher Sadisha finish.
Right.
Teacher.
Yes.
Teacher මට අගුව තේරුණා teacher.
What's your name? Is it Chamod?
Yes teacher.
Chamod, what is the meaning ingredient? Right, okay. සමහර වෙලාවට සිග්නල් නැතු ඔයාට ඒ වචනේ ඇහුන්නේ නැහැ වෙන්න පුළුවන් නේ. Right, next one, amount. What is the meaning amount, Chamod? Okay. Other silent අනිත් අය කියන්න එපා. Right, very good. So දැන් මේ වචන දෙකේ තේරුම දන්නේ නැත්නම් බලන්න වගේ example එක number 1 wood apples 2 or 3. So ingredients වලට අරගෙන තියෙනවා wood apples, coconut milk, sugar, salt, water. Amount එක. අනිත් අයටත් අපි පොඩ්ඩක් try කරන්න දෙමු තනියම ඊට පස්සේ මම board එකේ කියලා දෙන්නම් පැහැදිලිවම.
Teacher Senul finish.
Can you raise hand, Senul? Yeah, thank you. If you are finished writing, raise your hand, right? එතකොට මට පුළුවන් count කරගන්න කී දෙනෙක්ද කියලා. How many students finish? Finish. Very good. See, it's a simple chart. ගොඩක් ළමයි පාඩම හොඳට අහගෙන ඉන්නවා වගේ මම දැක්කා. So it's very simple. Very good. ආකාශා not finished. chart එක පැහැදිලි නැද්ද ආකාශා? No, Aksha. Aksha finish. Right. Take red pen. Right? Take red pen. This is very simple. So what is ingredient?
අවශ්‍ය ද්‍රව්‍ය.
Very good. Very good. Avashya dravya. What is amount?
ප්‍රමාණය.
Pramane. Very good.
Pramane.
Yes, very good. Yes. So wood apples 2 or 3. Coconut milk.
One cup.
1 cup. Very good.
One cup.
Yes, 1 cup. Take your red pen and put right marks. 1 cup. Very good. Sugar.
5
Very good.
teaspoons.
5 teaspoons. Very good. 5 teaspoons. Very good. Salt.
A pinch.
Yes, a pinch of salt.
A
A pinch. A pinch. Yes,
A pinch.
pinch means ඇඟිලි තුඩු වලට අහු වෙන ප්‍රමාණය, right? A pinch of salt. ලුණු ටිකක්. A pinch. How much water?
2
2
glasses.
glasses. Very good. 2 glasses. Yes, very good. Yes, 2 glasses. Very good. So take your red pen and put right marks. Very good. Try. So before going to write today words, අද පාඩමේ අමාරු වචන ලියා ගන්න කලින් let's mark next week dictation. Next week dictation sports actions. It is from last week. ගිය සතියේ පාඩමේ වචන ටික sports actions, kick, bat. Last week, right? Sports actions. Turn to your writing book. Sports actions. Kick, bat, pass, throw, hit, ride, skip, shot, shuttlecock, racket. 10. Sports action කියන තැන 10. Are you there? Sports action. 10 words are there. Kick, bat, pass, throw, hit, ride, skip, shot, shuttlecock, racket.
අනේ ඕක තියලා යන්නකෝ. ඉන්න දෙන්න.
මේ ගේ ඔක්කොම මස් කරන්න. අර කොනේ ඉඳන් මේක කරන්න.
Jihansa, did you mark dictation?
Okay.
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Right, so let's
Teacher,
write.
rice.
Yes, right hand, lower hand, yes. Let's write today words. Write today words.
ටීචර් 1 2 3 දාන්න ඕනේද?
No. දැම්මත් කමන්නේ.
Okay teacher, thank you.
Okay.
මහදුරු.
Right, when you are finished writing, go to the Fun with English book.
අනේ ටීචර් පොඩ්ඩක් වෙන දාන්න.
Sure, right, you write, all Liana slowly write. මම page numbers ටික දාන්නම් board එකේ. You write slowly.
Janit finish.
Okay, Janit, you can do the fun with English book.
Teacher Himal finished.
Right, go to fun with English book, please.
Teacher Dani not finished.
Yeah, right, slowly write. Yeah, fun with English book, page number 48, question number 4, page number 49, question number 5 and 6. Three questions, yes, from the wood apple juice lesson.
Teacher දැන් කරන්න ඕනද fun with එක?
Yes, Udani, we do now.
Okay, teacher, thank you. Teacher,
Yes.
question number 5 එක කරන් තියෙන්නේ මොකක්ද teacher?
Question number
49 එකේ
Yeah, page number 49,
Five.
question number 5. Here is the method for making wood apple juice. Put numbers 1 to 6.
Okay, teacher.
Right. Put numbers.
Janit.
Raise hand. If you are finished writing, raise hand.
Teacher.
Yes.
Teacher. 49 එකේ 6 වෙනි එකේ ඒක ටිකක් තේරෙන්නේ නැහැ මට.
49, 6. It's simple. Look at the method. Look at the method.
මේ ටීචර් මම කිව්වේ ටීචර් කටු පුරවන එක.
Yes, question number 6. What is method, Timal? What is method?
ක්‍රමය.
Yes, very good, very good. Then pupils book එකේ method එක බලන්න.
ටීචර් තිමාල් ෆිනිෂ්.
Raise hand, please.
ටීචර් කිව්වාදිය මට තේරුණා. මං
Ah.
ඒකේ හැදුවා.
Okay, good, good. Sandita, you finished writing?
Yes.
Okay, good. Senul, are you finished writing?
Finish, teacher.
Right. Chamod, are you finished writing?
No, teacher.
Ah, okay, right, right.
Teacher, I'm not finished.
Right, let's mark. Take red pen. Take red pen, you can mark. Number 1. How many wood apples do you need? How many wood apples?
2 or 3.
Very good. 2 or 3. Very good.
3.
How much coconut milk do you need?
1 cup.
1
cup.
cup. Very good.
1 cup.
1 cup. How much sugar do you need?
5
teaspoons.
Very good. 5 teaspoons. Very good. How much salt do you need?
pinch.
A pinch. Very good.
A
A pinch.
teacher.
Very good.
Teacher. A
Yeah.
pinch of salt. Kirali වඩ කමක් නැද්ද?
Yes, very good. Come on. Yes, right එකක් then. A pinch of salt. Very good. How much water do you need?
2
glasses.
2 glasses. Very good. 2 glasses.
Teacher. 2 glasses for water කිව්වා.
Yes, very good. 2 glasses of water. Correct. Put right marks. Right. Question number 5. Right. F.
Teacher එකට 5.
Teacher, මුලේක දෙන්නේ 4.
No, wait. Let's follow the order. Right. What is number 1? What is the first step?
First, break the wood apple.
Yes, very good. First, break the wood apples.
Break the wood apple.
What is the second step?
Then
After that, add coconut milk, water, and
No. Then put the flesh into a
then
bowl.
put the
Right?
flesh
අපි මේක කඩලා flesh එක මදය bowl එකට දානවා. ඒක සමහර ළමයි හරියට කිව්වා, සමහර ළමයි කිව්වේ නැහැ. C2. Right. What is the third step?
after that, coconut milk, water, and sugar do it.
Yes, very good. Yes, very good.
Coconut milk, sugar to it.
Fourth,
Now blend the mix. Now blend the mix.
very well. Now blend the mixture well. Very good. What is the fifth step?
Add to taste.
Salt to taste. Very good. What is the last step?
Finally, drink it fresh.
Finally, avasanedi. Yes, finally drink it fresh. Very good. Finally drink it fresh. Right, now we go to question number 6. Question number 6. The wood apples break.
Break.
B-R-E-A-K. Break the wood apples. Very good. What is number 2?
Put
Put the flesh. Yes, put the flesh into a bowl. Add karanna, ekattu karanna. Add. Yes, coconut milk, water and sugar. Add karanna. Next,
Blend.
blend it. Extra karanna. Very good. Blend it well. Next, add salt. Add salt. Yes, ekattu karanna. Add salt to taste. Last one, drink it fresh. Very good. Right. Okay, so Now we can go to a new lesson. Yes.
What is it?
Right,
Teacher,
come to
I
the
said lower hand.
yes, raise hand, lower hand. Yes, thank you. And come to the writing book, new page. Writing book,
Okay,
new page.
teacher.
Writing book, new page. Our helpers lesson.
ඔය homework ද
No, writing book, new page. Our helpers.
Teacher, and copy කරන්නද?
Copyright, yes.
Dental. Dental.
Our helpers. HELPERS. Our helpers.
Teacher, මට teacher පේන්නේ scenario පේන්නේ.
Signal problem, maybe it's a signal problem. Let's wait for few minutes. Ab ටිකක් වෙලා බලමු.
Then හරි teacher.
Okay.
අයියා ගියා. Teacher,
Yes.
පළවෙනි අන්තිම මම දන්නේ කරන්නේ
අල්ලපු විදිහට එක. ඉතින් ඒක දන්නේ දෙකෙන් මොන කරන්නේ?
නෙගුරන්නේ. Teacher,
Yes.
පළවෙනි එකේ අන්තිමට තියෙන වචනේ මොකක්ද?
Patient. Patients. Rogin. I treat patients.
Reset.
Teacher,
Yes.
ටීචර් ප්‍රතිකාරය කරනවා කියන එකේ තියෙන ටීචර් treat the treated.
treat, treat, treat. Okay, okay.
අම්මා කරන ටීචර් කියන්නේ මේකේ තියෙන ටිකම තමා මේ පහලියලා පැහැදිලි කිරීමකට
Shashika.
ටීචර් සෙනරි
I erase number 1 and write number 5 there. There are only 5 people.
ටීචර් බෝඩ් එක පේන්න
Signal problem.
නෑ ටීචර් ඇඟට වැහෙනවා
Ah, okay, right. Time finish. Right.
ටීචර් නම්බර් 3 එකේ look after අපිට දීලා තියෙනවා නේද ටීචර්
Ah, yes, yes. Trees. Let's look after trees. Very good.
ටීචර් සෙනරි finish
Okay, raise hand. Right, very good. Sadisha finish.
ටීචර් හදිස්සිය finish
Okay.
Teacher asked to finish.
Okay.
Teacher about finish.
Okay, Chamod. Writing finish lamai raise hand karala tiyan, right? Please raise your hand.
teacher दिमाग है
Okay.
Teacher,
Yes.
පස්වෙනි එකේ දන්ත වෛද්‍යද දත්ත වෛද්‍යද තියෙන්නේ?
Danta.
Udani finish teacher.
Okay.
Teacher Jihansa finish.
Okay, Jihansa.
Teacher finish. Teacher finish.
Okay.
Inaka finish teacher.
Right. Let's mark. Take red pen. Oh no, sorry. New page. New page. Right. Let's have a question. It's for matching. Right. So take your book. We will have a question for matching. So take your book this side, the landscape side. Right? We are going to have a matching question. So take your book this side, the landscape side, right? This side.
ටීචර් පේජ් දෙකක් තියෙන්න ඕනද එහෙම?
No need, no. ඔයා landscape side එකට මේ පැත්තට ගන්නවා නම් one page enough. මොකද මේ double page අරගෙන match කරන එක මම එච්චර කැමති නෑ. මේ මෙතනදී හොයාගන්න බැරි වෙනවා. සමහර වෙලාවට line එක දිගට යනවා, line කැපෙනවා, right? ඒ නිසා landscape side එකට මේ පැත්තට අරගෙන match කරන්න.
Okay, teacher.
Right.
ඕකේ
Teacher,
Yes. New page.
hand lower hand කරනවා.
Yes, raise hand, lower hand.
Teacher එක පිටුවේ match කරාට කමක් නෑනේ.
Yes, yes. Landscape side මේ පැත්තට ගන්න ඔයාගේ book එක, not this side. Not this side. Take this side. This is the landscape side.
ඒ කියන්නේ teacher මේ පැත්තට
ටීචර් right hand එක lower hand කරන්නද?
Yes, yes, Jihansa, yes.
එක page එකක් ගත්තම
One page enough, yes.
teacher මේ පැත්තටද?
This one, this is landscape side, right? Yes, Udani, yes.
teacher match කරන්න pencil එකකින් නේද?
Yes.
Teacher Timal finish.
Very good. Raise hand, please.
ටීචර්
Yeah.
මේ මට ලියනකොට එකක් මගේ ඇරිලා ඒක මම යටින් ලිව්වට කමක් නැද්ද ටීචර්?
Okay, okay. ඔයා මාක් කරනකොටත් හරියට බලලා මාක් කරගන්න.
ඕකේ ටීචර්.
Right.
ටීචර් සෙනඩි ෆිනිෂ්.
Hmm.
ටීචර් සදිස ෆිනිෂ්.
Okay.
ටීචර් අක්ෂා ෆිනිෂ්.
Raise hand, please. Raise hand.
ටීචර් අසිරු ෆිනිෂ්.
Right.
Finish. Teacher finish.
Okay.
මේ විදිහට කමක් නැද්ද?
Yes, Sudhani. Yes, very good.
Teacher, the answer finish.
Okay.
Teacher, බලන්න teacher මේක හරිද කියලා මේ පොතේ ලියාගත්ත විදිය.
Did not match. Match කළේ නැද්ද ජිහන්සා?
කරා teacher.
Can't see the lines. ඉරිපෙන්න. තව චුට්ටක් ඉස්සරහට ගේ. Right. Let's mark Udani. Take the red pen. Lakindu is marking. Okay. Lakindu mark hari දාන්න අක්කට. A doctor
Treats
Yes, very good. Treats patients, right? Please practice these words. මේ වචනවල මම sound එකක් දුන්නා. sound එක කියවලා බලලා practice වෙන මේ වචන ටික. Treats patient. A doctor treats patient.
Teacher, right mark
Yes,
දාගන්නද?
yes. Take red pen and put right marks.
Yes, teacher.
A nurse.
look after patients.
Very good.
Patient.
Looks after patients. Very good. A dentist.
Care your teeth.
Very good. Cares your teeth. Very good. Cares your teeth. Very good. A pharmacist. Medicine. Very good. Sells medicine. Sell alavi karanawa. Sells medicine. Very good. Sells medicine. A sweeper.
Keep the environment clean.
Very good. Keeps the environment clean. Keeps the environment clean. Very good. Right. Yes, very good. So you can see that මම පාඩම reading කරන්නෙත් නැතුව board එකේ වාක්‍ය ටික වචන ටික විතරක් දාලා ඔයාලට මේ activity එක කරන්න දුන්නා. But you can do. ඔයාලට ඒක තනියම කරන්න පුළුවන්, right? So that is very good. So let's come to the pupils book for reading. Come to the pupils book for reading. Page number 73. Now turn off your microphone, right? Turn off the microphone for reading. Page number 73. Turn off the microphone. Read number 1. I'm a doctor. I treat patients. Second page.
Teacher.
What? Number 2. I'm a sweeper. I keep
Teacher's voice is
my voice is breaking. Is it?
teacher. Not
Right, thank you. Okay, thank you. No, right, thank you. Number 2 reading. I'm a sweeper. I keep the environment clean. I'm a nurse. I look after patients. I'm a pharmacist. I sell medicine. I'm a dentist. I care for your teeth. Very good. Repeat one more time. Practice one more time. Page number 73, 1. I'm a doctor. I treat patients. Second page. I'm a sweeper. I keep the environment clean. Right. සමහර ළමයි මේ sweeper කියන වචනේ sweeper කියන sweeper. No. S අකුරයි V අකුරයි එකට යන්න ඕනේ. වෙනම නෙමෙයි. Sweeper. No. Sweep. Sweep. Sleep. Right. ඒ වගේ අකුරු වලදී දෙකම එකට බැඳි විදියට යන්නේ. Sweeper, sleep. No. Sweep. Sleep. Like that. Right. එකට යන්නේ. Third one practice. I'm a nurse. I look after patients. I'm a pharmacist. I sell medicine. I'm a dentist. I care for your teeth. Right, it's a very simple lesson. So we go to the Fun with English book, right? While you all do Fun with English book, I take reading. ළමයි ලියන අතරේ මම reading ගන්නවා page number 73, 74, right? So ඔයාගේ නම කියද්දි microphone on කරලා reading කරන්න. අනිත් වෙලාවේදී Fun with English book වැඩි කරගෙන යන්න, right? So page number 50. Page number 50 and 51. We have two pages. 50, 8, 9, 51, 10. Right? Page number, Fun with English book. Page.
Done is finished.
Teacher,
Huh?
mama inuka.
Huh?
අපේ ෆෝන් එකේ බැටරි ලෝ.
Okay, Nuka, then you have to leave, right? Leave. Charger එක ගහගෙන කරන්න අමාරුයිද?
චාර්ජ් වෙන්නේ නැහැ.
right. Okay. එහෙනම් leave වෙලා යන්න. තව පැය භාගයක් විතර අපි වැඩ කරනවා. ඒ ටික මේ recording එකෙන් බලන්න.
ටීචර් 51 පිටුවේ 10ද නැත්නම් 9ද? ටීචර් 51
9. No, meter 7, 8. Oh, sorry. Yeah, sorry. This one 7, 8. Yes, sorry. 7, 8, 9. Right? Okay, sorry. 7, 8, 9. And lower your hands, right? Lower your hands and start writing. ඒ අතරේදී මම අනිත් අයගෙන් reading ගන්න. Lower your
Done is
hands.
finished.
ජනිත් මේ homework වලට කරලා තිබුණාද? කොයි වෙලේද කළේ?
දැන් කරේ teacher.
May 3 questions? එහෙනම් reading කලේ නැතුව ඇති. Okay. Right, let's go for reading. Udani read doctor and sweeper. Udani read doctor and sweeper.
I'm a doctor. I treat patients. I'm a sweeper. I'm I'm a sweeper. I keep the environment clean.
Environment. Right? Okay, good. You have to practice that word environment. කෙනෙකුට ගොඩාක් use කරන්න එන වචනයක්. Environment. Okay, good Udani. Chamod, nurse, pharmacist.
I'm a nurse. I look after patients. I'm a pharmacy. I sell medicine.
Very good, Chamod. Very good. Right. Next one, Methuli, dentist, doctor.
I test your teeth. I'm dentist.
Okay. Next one, Sadisa, sweeper, nurse.
I am sweeper. I keep the environment clean. I am a nurse. I look after the patient.
No patient, not science. Patients. Read again, Sadisa.
I am a nurse. I look after the patient.
Patients la, yes, patients la. Doctors la, nurses la, patients la. Right, patients. Okay. Next one, Senuri, pharmacist, dentist.
I am a pharmacist. I sell medicine. I am a dentist. I care for your teeth.
Very good, Senuri, very good. Next one, Janit, doctor, sweeper.
I'm a doctor. I'm treat patients. I'm a sweeper. I keep the environment clean.
Right, මම එක දෙතුන් වරක්ම කිව්වා sweeper කියලා කඩන්න එපා. එක බැඳි. Right? එකටම යන්නේ sweeper no sweeper. Like Shri, like sweet. Janit, tell that word again, Janit. Janit, ඒ වචනේ නැවත කියන්න.
Sweeper.
No, not sweeper. Sweet.
Sweet.
Yeah.
Teacher ji answer finished.
Okay. Janit, please practice that word, right? Sweeper නෙමෙයි sweet. Sweeper, sweet. ඒ දෙක එකට යන්නේ. Sweeper. Next one, Kavitya. Nurse and pharmacist. Kavitya.
Teacher almost finished.
Okay.
I'm a nurse. I look after patients. I'm a pharmacist. I sell medicine.
Very good, Kavitya. Very good. Right. Next one, Tinula. Dentist, doctor.
I'm a doctor. Trade pending. Teacher doctor එකට ප්‍රශ්න මොකක්ද කිව්වේ?
Dentist.
I'm a dentist. I care for you teeth.
I care, right? I care for your teeth. Okay, good. Tenuka. Tenuka is there. Tenuka read sweeper, nurse.
Daksha finish. I'm a sweep. I keep the everyone clean. I'm a nurse. I look after.
Children, you have to practice this word. Patient. දැන් මේ දවස්වල කතා වෙන්නේම patients ලා ගැනනේ. අද දවසේ කීයද හෙට දවසේ කීයද how many patients මේක නගිනවද බහිනවද කියලා බල බල තමයි අපි ඉන්නේ. Right? So it's patients. Patients ලා patient. මේ T අකුරෙන් මෙතන sound වෙන්නේ patient. And another one තේනුක every month නෙමෙයි. Every month no. Environment. ඒවා මම sounds දුන්න අකුරෙන් අකුර read කරලා බලන්න ටික දිග වචන දෙතුන් වරක් practice වෙන. එතකොට ඔයාලට හොඳටම කියන්න පුළුවන් වෙයි. Environment. Right? Okay. Next one Aksha, pharmacist, dentist.
I'm a pharmacist. I sell medicine. I'm a dentist. I care for your teeth.
Very good, Daksha. Very good. No problems. Very good. Sandit 3, doctor and sweeper.
I'm a doctor. I third patient. I'm a sweeper. I keep the environment clean.
Very good. Very good. Yeah, 100 pronounce like environment, sweeper. Very good, Sandit. Yes. Tashila, no. Okay.
මම කියන්නද?
No, wait for your turn. Wait for your turn. ඔයාගේ වාර එනකන් ඉන්න. Wait for your turn. Jihansa, nurse, pharmacist.
I'm a nurse. I look after patients. I'm a pharmacist. I sell medicine.
Very good. I sell no. Sell yatra karanava, right? I sell vikunanava. Right. Very good, Jihansa. I sell med. Next one, Yasiru, dentist, doctor.
I am a doctor.
Yasiru, no, Yasiru. Yasiru, not I am. It's short. I'm.
I'm a doctor. I treat patient.
Yasiru, number 2, dentist.
Teacher.
Yes, Sadisa.
I care for your teeth.
Yes, I care for your your teeth. Okay, good. Sadisa, what is your question?
teacher.
Hmm?
Udani finish.
Okay. Right. Let's go for reading. Next one. Viduka. Viduka, no. Shashika. Shashika, read. Sweeper, nurse.
I'm a sweeper. I keep the environment clean. I'm a nurse. I look field patient.
I look after patients, right? Okay. Next one, Timal. Pharmacist, dentist.
Pharmacist.
I'm a pharmacist. I sell medicine. I'm dentist. I care for your teeth.
I sell medicine. Good, Timal. I sell. Sell karanawa කියන්නේ විකුණනවා, right? I sell medicine. Good. Next one, Inuka. Doctor, sweeper. Inuka.
I'm a doctor. I treat patients. I'm a sweeper. I keep the environment clean.
Clean. Very good. Very good. No mistakes. Clean එක චුට්ටක් පටල ගත්තා. Very good. Yes. Next one, Danul, read. Nurse, pharmacist.
I'm a nurse. I look after person.
Pharmacist. Danul, pharmacist.
I'm a pharmacist. I sell medicine.
Very good. Danul, very good. Yes. Next one, Senul, read. Dentist, doctor. Senul, no, right, okay. Right, no problem. So, online class එකේදී අනිත් යාළුවෝ reading කරනකොට ටිකක් බලාගෙන ඉන්න කම්මැලි තමයි, but we have to give chance to everyone, right? සමහර ළමයි online class වලදී කතා කරන්නෙම නැහැ, සද්ද නැතුව ඉන්නවා, වැඩ කරනවද නැද්ද කියලා videos වලින් මේ video එකෙන් බලන්න විදියකුත් නැහැ, right? ඒ නිසා පුළුවන් වෙලාවට අපි reading ගන්න එක වටිනවා, right? Because you all have to practice reading. English කියන්නේ science වගේ විද්‍යාව නැත්නම් පරිසරය ආශ්‍රිත ක්‍රියාකාරකම් වගේ subject එකක් නෙමෙයි. copywriting බලාගෙන ලියලා පාඩම් කළා ලියන subject එකක් නෙමෙයි English කියන්නේ. English is a language. භාෂාවක්. right? භාෂාවක් language එකක් ඉගෙන ගනිද්දී spoken කියන එක අනිවාර්යයි. Speak. We have to speak English. Right? අපි speak කරන්න නම් reading practice එක හොඳට තියෙන්න ඕනේ. මේ words වචන pronounce කරන්නේ, උච්චාරණය කරන්නේ කොහොමද කියන එක. board එක බලාගෙන, screen එක බලාගෙන copywriting කරලා හරි දාගෙන යන එකෙන් language එකක්, භාෂාවක් ඉගෙන ගන්න බෑ. We have to read. We have to speak. Right? ඒකයි මම කියන්නේ පොඩි දේවලුත් English වලින් speak කරන්න. Speak in English. Right? So only then we can learn a language, right? පරිසරය වගේ ලියලා copy කරලා පාඩම් කරගෙන උත්තර ලියන එක නෙමෙයි English කියන්නේ, right? Okay, so take your red pen, let's mark. Right.
Fun with
Yes, fun with English book. We are going to mark fun with English book. You can mark in red pen, right? So page number 50. What do you do? I'm a doctor. Yes, I'm a doctor. Yes, I'm a doctor. What do you do? I'm a
nurse.
What do you do? I'm a
Sweeper.
Sweeper. Very good. Sweeper. Yes. Sweeper, no sweeper. Very good. What do you do? I'm a pharmacist. Very good.
Pharmacist.
Pharmacist. Very good. What do you do? I'm a
Dentist.
very good. I'm a dentist.
Dentist.
Yes, very good. I sell medicine. Who am I? Pharmacist. Yes. Pharmacist number one. Pharmacist number one. Very good. I keep the environment clean. Who am I?
Sweeper.
Very good. Sweeper number two.
Sweeper.
Very good. I care for your teeth. Who am I?
Dentist.
Dentist. Very good. Number three. Dentist. Very good. I look after patients. Who am I?
Nurse.
I'm a nurse. Yes. Look after. Yes. I'm a nurse. I treat patients. Who am I? Doctor. Very good. I'm a
Doctor.
yes. Very good. Sorry. Five. I'm a doctor. 5. Next page. Doctors
Treat the patient.
yes, very good. Doctors treat the patients. Very good. Number 2. Sweepers.
Keep the environment clean.
Very good. Keep. Sweepers keep the environment clean. Very good.
Environment clean.
Yes, very good. Dentists.
Care.
Care, yes, care for our teeth.
Teeth.
Very good. Care for our teeth. Very good. Nurses.
Look
Look after the patient.
Look after the trick.
Very good.
Keep කියලා Pharmacist sell medicine.
Pharmacists sell
Medicine.
Sell.
Sell medicine.
Very good. Number 1, treat. Number 2, keep. Number 3, care. 4, look. 5, sell. Right. Okay, so that's all for today because I am not going to start the new lesson. We have only 2 minutes, right? So I will stop here, not starting the new lesson. Right. So this week homework paper, no. And we have dictation only 10 words. So you can enjoy Vesak festival, right? Dictation only 10 words. That's all for homework. වචන 10 පාඩම් කරන්න විතරයි homework තියෙන්නේ. Okay?
Bye, teacher.
Yes.
Okay,
So thank you for joining. Goodbye.
Goodbye, teacher. Bye, teacher. Bye, teacher.
Bye.
Goodbye, teacher. Good night, teacher. Thank you, teacher. Bye, teacher.
Goodbye.
Bye, teacher.
Goodbye.
Bye, teacher.
Bye, Tamindu.